Since 1965, ABB Installation Products has proudly manufactured essential electrical solutions in Athens, Tennessee. Over 60 years, this team has produced more than 12 billion trusted products that help power everything from data centers and stadiums to homes and buildings worldwide.
Thank you for joining us today to celebrate this significant milestone, our 60 years of operation.
Athens is a cornerstone of our local for local strategy, driving sustainability, accelerating innovation, strengthening our supply chain, and bringing products closer to the people and industries that rely on them.
ABB's success in Athens comes down to one key factor: their people, the most valuable local resource.
Our people in Athens are special because they have a long tenure and they really care about one another and they look out for one another. We talk about safety being the cornerstone of our facility. Our people believe in that.
What you do here matters a whole lot. I see new buildings going up every day, and I would say most of the electrical components, most of the boxes are coming from right here in my hometown of Athens. But it's not just about the products, it's about the people and what you mean to this community.
Generations of McMinn Countyans have worked here. It's changed the lives of many families in our community. So that's a lasting legacy.
My grandfather, who raised me, he actually worked here for 34 years, and he was fortunate enough to retire from here as well. He took a lot of pride in his job here, and that kind of encouraged me to do the same. He would be so proud.
For more than half a century, ABB has been an employer of choice, where people enjoy working and building their careers.
ABB's given me the chance to advance up in the company through the years and help people and show them what I've learned. It was passed to me, so I feel it's my purpose to pass it on to the next generation.
From reducing waste and carbon emissions to declarations sharing the environmental impact of their products, this facility serves as a model for sustainable operations. And while manufacturing about 500,000 units each day that electricians rely on, like ABB Steel City, Carlon, Tyduct, Superstrut, and Kindorf Solutions, the team diverts over 15,000 metric tons of waste from landfills a year.
We want to help solve some of the world's biggest challenges through the work we do every day to help companies run leaner and cleaner. What happens here in Athens does not just stay here. It travels far and wide.
Therefore, we proudly recognize and extend heartfelt congratulations to ABB Athens in celebration of its 60th anniversary, and we commend the company and its dedicated employees for their outstanding excellence, visionary leadership, and unwavering commitment to serving and strengthening our community. And we therefore proclaim today in McMinn County as ABB Day with all the recognitions thereof.
The 60th celebration is important because we want to make sure that we're celebrating these employees that have put their heart and soul into our business and have really made ABB what it is today.